Hello, this video is to walk you through the setup of logging a activity from any message in Slack. That includes DMs, private and public channels. And the idea here is that if you want to create a Salesforce activity from the messages happening in Slack quickly and easily, this guide is to help you get that set up. So if you start with our support.centro.rocks website and go to Quick Start Guides, you will see our log activity from a message in Slack. You can, of course, follow this guide, but the video should help you along if you get stuck. So we have this import a sample workflow. When you click that link, there's a Dropbox sample workflow. Just go ahead and download this to your desktop. And we'll be using that here in Slack Workflow Builder. So we're going to come into Tools, Workflow Builder, hit Import, and select the file that was just downloaded. And we can give this a name. You can change it if you want or keep it. And this is a pretty simple workflow, but go ahead and feel free to modify the form. We suggest a task object to be logged in this way. Here are the fields that we chose to show at the sample, and we set the type to hidden. You can modify this any way you want, but when you publish this, we're going to grab this webhook. It will give you this webhook. We're going to copy that to our clipboard, and then we will go over to the Centro app and the Home tab, and then click Workflow Setup. Yours will say Enable next to Log Salesforce Activity. Go ahead and just paste that webhook in there and hit Save, and you are good to go. So now what will happen, let's say I'm in a DM with Regina here. I can hit the overflow menu on the message, see our log activity shortcut, click it, and it will pop open the form that we just created and stuff the message text into the description. So we're just going to say log. You can relate it to whatever you want. Let's say it's Acme. I think I have Acme. And then hit save, and that will create a task. Sorry, you can also pre-populate these fields. I just hit status to in progress, hit save. That will create a record in Salesforce. Now let's go check out what that looks like. Oops. That's going to show up in our timeline here. Okay, here we are on our task. Here's our task and the conversation from Slack. Of course, this can be modified to your liking as well, but this should get you started on logging activities. As you notice, this was from a DM. So this shortcut will work on any message and anywhere in Slack. Slack Connect channels, public channels, private channels, multi-person DMs, to log those activities that you need to get into Salesforce for others to see. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.